Are you ready to revolutionize the way you capture and share your stories? Insta360 is shaking up the creator world with 4 groundbreaking videography bundles designed by creators, for creators. But here's where it gets exciting. These aren't just any bundles, they're the result of a powerful partnership with Leica, redefining what an action camera can do. Let's dive into what makes these kits a game changer for everyone from street vloggers to adventure seekers. Insta360 has unveiled 4 premium bundles for the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, co-engineered with Leica, each tailored to meet the real-world needs of creators. These kits are all about speed, style, and staying in the moment. As Max Richter, co-founder and VP Marketing, puts it, with Leica's expertise, we've transformed the action camera into a creative powerhouse, no longer limited to extreme sports but now a tool for serious photography. And this is the part most people miss. The bundles are built on feedback from a global community of creators, ensuring they're as practical as they are innovative. But here's where it gets controversial. Can an action camera truly replace traditional photography gear? Insta360 and Leica seem to think so, and these bundles are their bold statement. Let's explore what's inside. What's new at a glance? Xplorer Grip Pro Kit. This isn't just a grip, it's your command center. With tactile 1 or 2 times slide zoom, exposure control, quick mode switching, and an integrated battery, it's designed for creators who need precision on the go. Pocket printer. Imagine printing your action shots instantly. This portable printer, the first of its kind for action cameras, turns moments into tangible memories. Premium lenses. From cinematic to ultra-wide and close-up, these lenses unlock new creative possibilities for every genre, from street photography to macro shots. Leica color profiles. Dive into the new Leica Eternal and Leica B and W high contrast profiles, alongside classics like Leica Natural and Leica Vivid, for professional-grade color science. Film style aesthetics. Retro neon and vintage vacation filters bring cinematic flair to your shots. No heavy editing required. Firmware update. All Insta360 Ace Pro 2 users get access to these new features via the version 2.0.3 update. Download it here. https://www.instar360.com/download/instar360-asa Pro 2 or through the Insta360 app. The bundles. Tailored for every creator. Xplorer Pro Bundle, $518.99, perfect for urban explorers and vloggers. This bundle includes the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, dual battery, and Xplorer Grip Pro Kit. With Leica's Summerit lens and flow state stabilization, it's your go-to for smooth, professional shots. Flash Print Bundle, $579.99, designed for trendsetters. This kit adds the pocket printer, flip screen hood, and classic leather case. Print and share your moments instantly, a first for action cameras, asterisk. Videography Bundle Limited Edition, $604.99 for creators who value artistry. This bundle includes a cinematic lens in a custom-designed box. It's minimalist yet powerful, perfect for storytelling with style. Ultimate Videography Bundle, $739.99, the flagship kit for pros, featuring 3 premium lenses, cinematic, close-up, ultra-wide, and all the essentials. It's the ultimate tool for unlocking cinematic potential. Asterisk. As of November 12, 2025, the pocket printer is the first portable printer designed for action cameras. But here's the question. With these bundles, is Insta360 setting a new standard for action cameras, or are they blurring the lines between action and professional photography? Let us know in the comments. All bundles will be released on November 12th, with Xplorer Pro Bundle available now on Insta360's official store, https://store.instar360.com/product/ace-pro-2. Plus, don't miss the Insta360 Vision Awards supported by Leica, running from November 18th to February 28th, 2026. Submit your best work for a chance to win Leica cameras, Insta360 gear, and cash prizes. Learn more here. https://www.instar360.com/awards/vision-Leica. About Insta360. With a think bold mindset, Insta360 empowers creators to capture life in extraordinary ways. From the best-selling X series to the pocket-sized Geo series, their lineup is designed to simplify creativity. Check out their official website, http://www.instar360.com. Think Bold Fund, https://www.instar360.com/thinkboldfund, and follow them on Facebook, https://www.facebook.com/instar360, X, https://x.com/instar360, Instagram, http://www.instagram.com/instar360, TikTok, http://tiktok.com/@instar360_official, LinkedIn, https://www.linkedin.com/company/instar360, and YouTube, http://www.youtube.com/instar360. Source: Insta360.